How to download the shop app on your phone. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download the shop app on your phone, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your mobile device, scroll down to your Play Store, and then launch your Play Store application. Now after launching your Play Store application, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you would see the search box, and then you would see other applications that you can get on Play Store. Now, as you can see, this go to your search box and then type out shop, since that's the name of the app. All right, and then click on it, and then once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to the page where you'd see similar apps application as well as the shop application. And then once you can see the shop application, just click on it. Now once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to the page where you see details about the application. Now you also see reviews, all right, of about the application and similar application to it. Now as you can see that on the page, for me, I already have the app installed. That's why it is displaying open. But for you, instead of open, you would see the option install here. For example, now I want to use an application that I don't have installed as an example. By the time you click on the application, this is how it will look like. You will see the option install here. So once you can see the install option, the next thing that you have to do is just to click on install, and then once you click on install, it will load and download, and then once it is done downloading, the install option will be changed to open. All right, and just like that, it has been downloaded on your phone. So you can just click on it to open up the app and create an account so that you can start using it for whatever you want to use it for. So this is how you can download the shop application on your phone. Thanks for watching and have a good day.